All right, so today gonna be starting on the exhaust. Got these off. It's just like some spare stuff hanging around, you know what I'm saying? With these, they got more of an angle and a curve. So that curve actually pushed the exhaust, what is it? I believe inward. Or no, out, sorry. To bring it this way, and that way you could actually, you know what? I don't know. But they just have more of a curve, and I'm guessing that I need more of a curve, so I'm gonna try these out, and hopefully they work. Once they work, weld something up, and we'll be good to go. So let's get started. All right, people. So I guess I got some good news. Well, for me, your boy didn't have the cat back adjusted correctly. I thought, you know, maybe, I mean, it's decent. I just wanted to get it straight on the actual piping so it'll be good. But as of like right now, look, check it out. Before, when it goes up and over the axle, it was hitting the frame rail right there. It was smacking up against it. So now I scooted it over, and I don't know if you can be able to see this one. Scoot under there, homie. It ain't big enough for everybody. See how close it is? So that's exactly how this side was. Now I'm gonna figure out on this side of how it's supposed to be so we can get it going. But I saved one, so hopefully I could just readjust this one like how I did on the driver's side. See, because I just readjusted this. Hopefully I can readjust that one and it'll be perfectly fine. But let's shake this puppet down and let's get started. Boy, what a fool. Look at this. It's all fogging up right now probably. I'm foolish. I know. But it happens, okay? You know, ain't nobody perfect, but I got it done. All this time, and I thought it was just, you know, I was gonna have to go get some metal, get it bent, and do all this other stuff, and I'm gonna find out it was just me and my adjustments. That's it. But I went off of by it being straight. So, and by me straight, I mean like on the flange, it was straight. So, see how this one is? I got this one dangling off almost, boy, but it won't leak. See? I had them straight on so it won't look terrible. But now check me out. Remember how it was on the frame last time? Now look at it. That's a gap. It ain't never gonna touch. So we'll be good on this side. Yeah, baby. Before it was actually sitting on it. So once I was actually thumping, you know, it would actually touch the frame and chatter the whole time. Probably gonna have to readjust the tips too. Yeah, they look a little off. But yeah, this was the main one that was hitting too. That side wasn't too bad. It's crazy because it had a little tiny gap away from the frame rail, but it wasn't too bad. This was the one that was smacking up against it. Now look at it. It's never gonna touch. Well, that wraps it up. We'll see how this plays out. We'll see how it goes after. Had this thing since like what, 2014, 5 years, and haven't done boy hasn't done nothing since, okay? But after the exhaust, I just need a few interior pieces. Seat belts is a big thing because that's like $200, and then that's it. Dang. Ooh, brand new brakes. Okay. Man's just picked this up, homie. Just pick this bad boy up. A little paint could be used, but it's clean. No cancer on the back either. Nothing on the windows. A little rust around the keyhole. Somebody tried to get up in there before. Oh man, oh man. That duct tape on me. You gotta fix that, boy. Oh man, but I came here, homie. I need them screws for that cluster so I can put mine on. Get all the screws and bolts for the center console so I can put my stuff on. We good. Time to start, baby. Ain't this out and let's get up out of here. I ain't gonna talk crap, but this is the previous owner's car. I'm trying to figure out how you let this happen. Golly, I'm taking all this stuff apart because your boy needs the screws and you know what I'm saying. I'm finding this thing should have caught on fire, boy. That's done down there. Everything was melting off. That must have been the reason why he sold it too. It was smoking everywhere, probably. That's definitely making a cloud of smoke in your car. Anywho, all right, we're almost done. Let's get it, knock it out. Got all the screws right there. We'll be doing these two, knocking this out, and then going home, hopefully. Sitting here watching this man yank a tranny down on me.
Oh my God, this is long ass screw.
Working. I need to go home. Okay, so everybody bear with me. There is gonna be some draws, some boxers up in this video, okay? Now don't mind it. It's a little sweaty, a little smells like roses, but it's out, okay? And I just didn't have a belt. It kept falling down, I kept pulling it up, but anyways, bear with your boy. Don't mind that. Okay, people, so today, what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be doing the interior. Hopefully putting most of it back together. Most of it, and being able to sit in it without the seats moving, have everything intact, make the dashboard look a little decent. But let me give y'all a little glimpse. Prepare y'all selves. Ooh, a storage unit, boy. Yikes, this is bad. So hopefully I'm gonna take all this stuff out and then we'll clear all this stuff up. I got the screws yesterday for the gauge cluster, the little cluster cover, center console, all that. So we'll be doing that right now. Let me time lapse it for y'all and give y'all a little glimpse of everything. There it is. I got parts laying everywhere. The ones that I laid on the car are the ones that I'm actually kind of use on this little here project. Look at that. I hope I didn't cut too low. Your boy done messed up. I'm foolish. I know. I don't know why I did that. I was just gonna cut out the shape just for the e-brake and that was it. Anyways, this is what it looks like. A little rough. I don't know if I'm gonna put on the quarter panels yet, only because I don't really have seat belts for anything right now except for the back ones somewhere around here. But we're gonna get this going here. Let's do this. All right, so to put all this together, your boy, look at this professionalism right here. Look at this professionalism right here. Look at this. Looks like I'm about to do a commercial, you feel me? But nah, this is all I'm gonna need right here. Put all this stuff back together, except for the seats. That's the only thing I ain't putting in just yet. Cause I'm gonna get a little dirty and I'm gonna have to vacuum up the carpet and I don't wanna have to remove the seats again. So, but let's get it, baby. Boom! Time to set it in, boy. I'm gonna set this in. I'm on airplane, so I'm gonna keep it rolling. And the boot, boy. Woo! To the plane. What I'm gonna do real quick, I'm gonna clean all this nasty stuff up all the way around. Can't put that back in the whip. You know what I'm saying? Try to get this nasty dirt, I don't know what it is, out. Hopefully I can find like a little scrubber, a little Scotch Brite, and then we should be good. Put it in. Look at that. Ugh. Let's get this cleaned up. All right, cleaned up the little top area. Cleaned up right here. Look at that. Ooh wee. This wouldn't come off. I don't know what it was, but pretty much clean now. I tried to get this marking off. It didn't really do too good. I'm gonna have to use once I get a sponge, that little scratch side, your dish sponge. Those work amazing. Other than that, I mean, it came out pretty good, clean. Now time to put it in. See if we can get this cleaned up. Nasty this is. Ugh. This is what it looks like after. It's a little discolored, not how I would like it, but it's looking better than before. So let's finish this up. Let's get this going and get it done. Alright, I'm about to use a hot glue on this crap on me since it won't hold really. We're gonna try to glue it onto here. I don't know what else to use. Maybe I could use some adhesive, but I don't have anything right here and I don't want to go to the store. And wow, would you look at that? I just found the battery we've been looking for months. Oh my gosh. Come on now, go in there. Oh my, now I can start using the tools. The little electric ratchet, homie, has been out for months. And they said that they lost the battery and it was right there the whole time. Anyway, let's get this glued up. I know it'll look trashy after the end, but I'm not tripping. I might just do it on the little specs. I might try to burn them with this little tip part, but we'll see how that goes. Either heated it up. Check out my little tool, my little machinery right there. Hit it with the tip. Yeah. Just like kind of waved it out right here, and we're good to go. I had to put some hot glue in between right there because it wasn't sticking. So, but this thing is locked in place for good. Looks good though. Ooh. Oh, look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Ooh. Dang, my fault, man. All right, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. I ain't mean to keep stopping in between, you know what I'm saying, time lapse, but I like it, so y'all gotta deal with it, all right? So let's get back to it. So with these little tabs, I flared it out a little bit. I already tried to put it on, and it just like slid on. So I had to take it back off and to flare the tips right here, these little ones. I had to flare those out, pull them out, and now I'm gonna see exactly how well it fits. See if it fits at all. Look at this little ball. Look how dirty this is, homie. And now I'm about to clean it up, make all that gunk go away. I'm also about to finish this up on the bottom. I'm not gonna do the steering wheel because I gotta pop that off and actually put all the horn stuff, the little cruise control buttons, all that other stuff on there. Other than that, I'm gonna just do underneath the steering column and the glove box, and maybe these pillar plastics. Yeah, probably those two. But after that, I'm pretty much done. I'm gonna set the seats in, and we're gonna call it a night. I am done. Finished. Oh, let me close this for you. I'm not gonna keep that. No, I'm gonna get the you know, that center piece with the cup holders. You know what time it is? Oh yeah. Underside done. Gonna leave all this open. Looks better, homie. It actually works too. Look at this. Oh yeah, buddy. That might be it for y'all. Shoot, because I know it's it for me. So next step is to do the painting the calipers and do the rack and pinion. Start it, fire it up, run it, see if there's any leaks. And after all that, do the brakes, fluids, all that. Test it, baby. What's up? And then well, seat belts, yeah, but that's pretty much it. All right, so with that being said, let me get that last look for y'all. Ooh, don't mind the steering wheel. Hold that thought. Don't mind that. It's looking great, man. I love it. I like it. I can't wait until these Cobra seats actually get in here and these quarter panels get put in. But anywho, that's in the future, or that's we ain't worried about all that. But we'll catch you guys next week, man. Stay tuned for the next one.